Hey, it's Lisa back with a scrumptious and easy beef stir-fry that will rock your taste buds. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound of thinly sliced beef, 2 cups of mixed vegetables, like bell peppers and broccoli, 2 cloves of garlic minced, and for the sauce 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Start by heating up 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add in your thinly sliced beef and stir-fry until it's browned and nearly cooked through. Then remove it from the wok. In the same wok, add your mixed vegetables and garlic, and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp. Now, it's sauce time. Mix your soy sauce, honey, and red pepper flakes and pour this over your veggies. Return the beef to the wok, stir well so that everything gets coated with the sauce. Cooking tip: for that extra flavor, finish off with a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Now, serve this over some steamed rice and enjoy your homemade, delicious beef stir-fry. Happy cooking!